How you doing? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Magic Wand tool in Adobe Illustrator. Come on. The Magic Wand tool is located right here, just right below the selection tool, right here, and the shortcut is Y. Now let's come out here and create a layer. Okay, I got a layer. And then let me first explain what it does basically. The Magic Wand tool selects elements based on properties, right? Based on its properties, similar properties, depending on how you set them up. For example, let us put properties on the canvas quickly. Let's just put random properties like that, right? And then maybe you could also, put different shapes just for you to see exactly what I'm trying to teach you here, right? Because sometimes, you get confused because you were not shown everything exactly how it should be, right? Right, so as you can see, these are all separate, different properties. Come to the layers and you see these are all separate properties, right? Good, and you can tell by when I move one of them, it doesn't move the other. But when I select the Magic Wand tool, when I select any of them, all of them are selected. You see that? And you can tell by the layers here, all the layers are selected, right? Click away, they are not selected. Click one of them, they are all selected. Why? Because the fill is all brown. Make sense? Yes, so the Magic Wand will select every brown element of the same fill. Okay, the fill is right here. But then if I change one of them or any of them or two of them, right? Change the fill. Let's say I want to change the fill of this one right here. And I would come here, change the fill to, I don't know, yellow, right? And then now when I come and use the Magic Wand tool and I click Magic Wand, and I click here, you see everything else is selected, but not this one, right? You could tell by if I move this, they all move as a group except for this one. And also you can tell by the layers over here, right? Because this one is yellow and the other ones are brown. So it's the fill selection, right? Right, but what if you don't care about fill, you care about other kind of properties? Right, you come up here on Windows and then you look for Magic Wand, right here, Magic Wand, right? And you'll get this small window right here. So this here is your properties settings or Magic Wand settings, right? As you can see here, it says fill color and the tolerance of the fill color, right? So right now, let me just select one of these. Select one of these. Right now you can tell the fill is the same, exactly the same as the other ones. But if I change the fill just a little bit, maybe use this brown, okay? And then also come to this one too and use the same brown. Is it this one? Yeah, I think it's this one. And then change the tolerance to, I don't know, less, like 11, 7, okay, 7, right? So now if I come and use the Magic Wand tool on this one, you will see that all the other ones are not selected. Only these two are selected because the tolerance of the fill is not the same, okay? But if I pick up the tolerance to, I don't know, 78, right? 78 is too much, Now, if I click this one, everything else again is selected, right? Because of the tolerance. You get it now? Right, let's bring it back to 30, 32, like that. Right. Down here we have stroke color. You can select based on stroke color. You can select based on stroke weight, opacity, or blend mode, right? So if it's blend mode, it's like, did you do similar blend modes if you used blend modes, right? Did you do similar blend modes to different properties? That's how you're going to select them, right? So let's just explore a little bit and then let's just close the video because I think this is straightforward. For example, if you come to stroke color and remove fill, now we are selecting based on stroke color. The tolerance is okay, 32, still fine. So I gotta put stroke to at least one of this. Let me put stroke on this. All right, put a black stroke, and then I don't know, make it, what is that, 8, right? And this one too, right? You know what? Let me not waste time. Let me just duplicate this. All right, and then duplicate this. Great. So we have strokes right now, and the stroke are black. Obviously, when I use the magic wand tool to select this one, these 3 will be selected. Okay? Yes. Select here, this will be selected, but it's not selected based on stroke. They're selected based on being just not anything. So when I select here and I only use something that is not there, it's gonna select based on just nothing. Okay? It's the same as me removing everything here, you see? And then now when I select, it's like I'm just selecting one thing. But then when I put this and I select the wrong thing, everything is like selecting except for this one. Okay, I don't know if you get that one, but it's okay. So now if I click here, these 3 are selected based on the stroke weight. Let me change one of them. Let me change the stroke of this one, right? Click this one and change the stroke weight to 5, okay? These ones are 8, this one is 5. Click away and use the magic wand tool, and then click here, and then sorry, it's not weight, is color. Why are you not telling me this? Why are you not telling me this? It's color, sorry, color. Stroke color, I change the stroke color again. Let me come here, click, and then change the stroke color to blue, right? Yes. Click away, and then magic wand tool. Now when I click here, this one is not selected, but these ones are selected based on the color of the stroke. You get it now? Yes. And then if it's weight, so you come here and click weight. Again, you can use all of them at the same time, or you can just use one at a time, right? You can also come down to opacity and select based on opacity again. I think you get the whole system here. You get the whole thing, right? Right. Now, in the next video, I'm gonna explain the lasso tool. Stay tuned for more videos. Scroll down, I have more interesting videos just like this, even more interesting videos than this in my channel. Subscribe, share, and like, and I'll see you in the scroll.